My name is Ronald Parada. I am 18 years old. I am from the city of Valledupar, Colombia. Nationality, my family, I am mother. My grandfather and grandmother and my two sisters. I currently live alone. The program I study is sustained. My lives are go for Hawaii, travel, health, list animal, reproduce, lead animal. I like to have many animals. I like to go out to help. I like to go more than anything to the countryside and to the river. What I don't like is being stressed due to work or homework since I suffer from anxiety. I don't like animal abuse. I don't like rude people. I don't like having low grade amid studies. My last trip was Hamon. I got to the city of Santa Marta and my next trip. And the future is to go to Guatapé, Antioquia to see tourists in here. Thank you very much.